my name's Anoosha and we're going to be doing a few demonstrations in Excel today. First, we'll start with the fill handle. The fill handle is this little square right here in the right hand bottom corner of a cell. It's very useful for budgets and such. Basically, it just copies the pattern or numbers, whatever you want it to do. And it can be used for numbers, months, weekdays, dates, formatting, formulas, pretty much anything. Let's start with numbers. I'm going to type in a 1 and a 2. If I highlight those and drag down the fill handle, it creates a series of numbers. It's the same for dates. If I put in a date, today's date for instance, click on it, and drag down the fill handle, it creates a series of dates. It's the same for weekdays. If I click the fill handle and drag it down, it goes through all the days of the week. It's the same for months also. Just drag down. Now let's try it for formulas. If I put in some random numbers, alright, so now we're going to use AutoSum. I'm going to highlight this and click AutoSum. Now if I click on this cell, make sure all the other ones aren't highlighted, just this cell. And if I drag it over, then it copies the formula, but it uses these cells instead. You can do it the other way too. I'm going to highlight these, click AutoSum, click on this one, and drag it down. And there's the AutoSum for all these numbers. It's the same for formatting. If I format this cell for currency and drag it over, now these cells are also formatted for currency. See? You can do it for centering text also. Just drag it over. So, this can be used for fill. If I fill it with the green color and drag it over, it's just like that. It's pretty easy actually. Now we're going to change the orientation of the spreadsheet. You're going to go to Page Layout, click on Orientation, and look at which one is selected. Right now, Portrait is selected, so right now it's on a portrait orientation. If I want to change it to Landscape, all I have to do is just click Landscape. That's all. Now I'm going to show you how to set the print area. For example, I only want to print these 3 columns. So what I would do is I would highlight those, go to Print Area, and click Set Print Area. So now, if I go to Print Preview, that's all that's going to print out. Alright, so far we've done the fill handle, which is this little square right here. We've changed the orientation from portrait to landscape, which we did using these buttons. And we've set the print area to be these 3 columns, which we did by highlighting the columns and clicking Set Print Area. So now we're going to make sure that it all fits on one page. You're going to click the dialog box launcher that's right here under the page setup, and this says it's fit to 5 pages right now. I'm going to bring that down to 1 page and click OK. So if I go to Print Preview, it'll be all on 1 page. That's all. Thank you.